So the next time that will be open will be May. Hard to believe it's been here 50 years. Hello from Gatlinburg, guys. I just wanted to make a little video about how the Best Italian, which I worked at for almost 20 years, they're going to be renovating for the next few months. And I wanted to swing by and check it out. We won't be going inside, but I was inside and I looked around, and it's pretty amazing memories, to say the least. So, if you're coming to Gatlinburg and you want to be here at the Best Italian, they'll be closed until May, so please remember that. The other location down the street, they'll still be open, but for many of you, this is the place to come have a pizza, garlic rolls, lasagna, etc. So it's a little sad, but you know, all good things must come to an end. And of course, we're in a year 2026, and it's just perfect timing for them to renovate the old building here. So best of luck to the best. Now, while the Best Italian is closed, you can come here and grab a drink or some dessert. And then on the other side is Howard's Restaurant. So for those wondering where we are, we're in the Elk Plaza. Sunday, a lot of people have gone home after the holidays. Check out White Oak Creamery when you can, give them a follow. But yeah, I'm very happy for them. Right across the street from Ober. So again, this used to be TGI Fridays, and when it opened, it's only been open for a few months. I believe it opened in May. So of course, with any other restaurant, you know, when one closes like this, you have to think about the servers and the cooks and everybody who obviously works in the restaurant. Well, thankfully, they're owned by Collier, which they own Flapjacks, a few other restaurants. So thankfully, the people who used to work there can now be transferred to other restaurants, so they're not losing any money. So that's the one good thing about that. So I made the mistake of thinking, okay, I'm gonna come down here and get one more slice of pizza, but they closed last night. So I guess I won't be having a slice of pizza until May, at least. So that's it, guys. Thanks for coming on here to say hello. If you haven't already, please give me a follow. I am on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Check them out when they reopen in May. I think it's mid-May. But I'll definitely let you know. Alright? Have a wonderful day. They've been open since 1974, and this is the first renovation they're going to have in 50 years. And I just turned 52, so they would do. They would do for a renovation. So, alright? I will see you later, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.